Now you gotta get the right side.
Open. Don't make dirty noises on the video, Daddy. Open it. Open it more.
What did you get? Oh.
My pretty pink school purse. Oh, it's a book. Come over here. Whoa. Look. What is A? C? Ladybug. Hey, let's open another present. Oh, there's a note about these, about all of these.
Wow. Really? Ow.
You want to open the card?
Who gave that to you?
Sister.
Toby?
Big Toby.
Big Toby.
My brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Says the Hot Wheels are for
I
Paul.
think it's
so
Paul's brother-in-law
so he
too.
doesn't get jealous of Paige's present.
Well, they're for him?
Yeah.
That's cool.
What is it? Butterfly, don't pull it, don't pull it. It's from Grandma Donna. It says, make a wish, birthday girl, and have a magical dreams come true.
Oh my gosh, if that's not the cutest picture. Oh, cute.
It should be like on a poker game or something.
We might be getting these.
Hmm?
We might be getting a McLaren.
What?
We might be picking up a McLaren.
How's that? Mercedes has them. Or you're not talking like you're just the McLaren F1, you mean?
No, the dealer in general. No, Mercedes doesn't have them. McLaren's a whole different company.
McLaren SLR.
That's that car. McLaren is a whole different company.
Oh, okay.
Like this is an F. Well, this is a lane, but like the F1, and they have a new one that just came out.
What did you get?
Take the paper.
Are they
There's a
fembots?
gift receipt on it.
Can't really even see it. It's My Little Pony. Wee!
Yay!
Paige, can I see? Can I see what you got? Yeah.
Turn it around.
Paige, smile! Woo! She's like, I don't care. It's not. Paige! Woo! 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 That's my girl.
Ooh, sit down.
Put the bow on your head. Woo! Give me that dirty look again. See what happens to you. She sees all these other toys over there. She's like, I'm not gonna play with this too. What is that? It is there.
Oh, it's
One of
Zuzu
those
Pit.
ones that.
This is right.
What part of this are you jealous of? The My Little Pony?
It's a Kung Zoo.
Ready? Paige! Woo!
I know, Paul. You better not go Richard Gere on it.
Oh God. Really? You know you're videoing, right?
I don't even know what
But
that
you don't
means.
see who said
I
it.
don't know what that means.
No, what does that
Oh
mean?
yeah, we don't need to talk about that right now.
Yeah.
We'll talk about after the video.
Yeah, I don't even know what that means.
We'll draw diagrams.
I think there's a South Park episode. On
Oh God. Is it kind of like?
Wait, we'll talk about this after. Not right now, dirty mind.
Seriously.
I wasn't in something bad. I was just gonna tell you about its movie name and name of a movie.
Me and my cousin.
Silent Bob.
Which one?
Where Kelly comes.
I remember.
Your shirt. Kelly. Is it like that?
Mm-mm.
What?
Mm-mm.
No.
Wait, you have more presents.
Oh, was there something on the front of it?
No.
Oh, just a screen shirt.
See, but I think that's good that we get her shopping cart like that.
So you can practice?
That's right. I'll get you guys a lot of free stuff, don't worry.
Diapers, you guys little coat. We had so many points of it. We were able to get diapers.
That's cool. You got bath toys and.
She jacks all the little
Diapers
clothes from work.
Oh, yeah. That could come in handy soon.
Paul's gonna start jacking codes from your house.
Oh, I
You
thought
can
you
shoot some of our
were using
points.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna start wearing diapers.
him.
Oh, yes, he might start wearing diapers.
Hey, football's coming up soon.
What is it? Oh, it's shorts.
They look like board shorts. Those are cute.
Those are cute.
For who?
Well, what do you mean board
Kid
shorts
pants.
for who? Where?
Outfit.
That's cute.
Yay! Get up. More presents. Get up. Bring it here.
I'm just gonna leave this now.
Filled with fun and friends and whatnot and such. Whatnot and such. Love, Auntie April, Uncle Toby, Tina, and Rissa. Like, I could care less about this card. Okay. That's on the video.
Okay. No, that's what Paige is saying.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. She wants to open the present.
Way to go, Mel.
No, you're on video.
So, there. Yay! Oh, more little parts for your kitchen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, pull that part out.
She's good at the ripping.
Oh.
I'm gonna be a professional.
What do you say?
In there. What do you say?
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
No, we're not gonna open
All
it
she
right
knows
now.
is open.
Open.
Go get another one.
Go get another present. We'll play with this later.
That's gonna look so cute with her kitchen.
There you go. Get
Get
one.
that one. Get the little one too.
Get that little one. Get the little one.
The pink one.
No, right there.
Get the pink one.
Get that one. Right there, yeah. Get it?
Get the one on the floor. That one right there. Yeah, get that. No, it's yours.
I
Jenny
brought it for
for
you.
She's like, nice.
Wait, you have more presents to open.
Open the card.
There's one wrapped in the tissue on the top.
The hard.